believe it, I'll say it once again. And some will try to smile. I know the feeling, we're trying to forget. If only for a while. 'Cause I'll be lonely without you. I'll need your love to see me through. Please believe me, my heart is in yours. 'Cause I'll be missing you. Babe, I love you. Woo, sana all. Okay. Away, ano, ang kapon. Shout out, guys. Thank you so much. Yan. Thank you so much sa mga naka-mini pa dyan sa atin, guys. Mabilis na ng oras. Mag-iisang oras na kagad ako. Papa Bay, maraming salamat. Papa Bons, ha. Thank you so much sa pagdalaw, Papa Bons. Papa Bons, hindi na po ako nakakadalaw sa inyo. Thank you so much sa mga naka-mini pa dyan. Minsan lang ako nakakadalaw, Papa Bons. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Dahil nga doon sa kaka-screencast, ayan, kaya bihirang-bihira na lang makadalaw, Papa Bons. Shoutout po sa inyo, Papa Bons. But anyway, thank you so much for always dalaw-dalaw kay Ma'am Shiham. Sir Mike, yeah, thank you so much. Looks, thank you for singing this song. You're welcome, Mike J. You're welcome. Ayan, thank you so much sa mga tusok niyo dyan, guys. Thank you so much po. And Miss Elaine, maraming salamat. No worries, Ma'am Princess. And of course, okay, Papa Bons, pasensya na Papa Bons. Okay. Nawili na Papa Bons sa kaka-screencast ba? Ayan, but anyway, I'm here now. Papa Bons, what's your latest here, Papa Bons? English all new trees. Okay, Papa Bons, I'm here po sa inyong latest upload. English ba tawag dito? English is my reading is okay? I mean, is right? Papa B, English all new trees. Okay, and here we go, Papa Bons. Playing po sa inyong English all new trees. Okay, Papa Bons. Watching na lang po. Maraming salamat. And basta love ko kayo, yes? Hindi ko alam saan kaya si Lay. Tulog na siguro si Lay. Nawiwili na kami sa screen. But love ko rin naman kayo, ano. Papa Bons, Diyos ko naman. Kaso lang, ito nga nawili na kami sa kaka-screencast, promise. Miss Elaine Pagunsan dan connected. Just leave your comment to Miss Elaine Pagunsan. Miss Paulette, I know she will return and connect with you. Okay, Miss Paulette. Thank you so much, Miss Paulette. Do you have request, guys? Sana ba yun si Ma'am Lay? Tulong ka sa... Shout out sa you, Lay. Where are you, Lay? Maybe Lay is already sleeping or maybe she's tired. Okay, but anyway, Lay, nasaan ka man ngayon, Lay? Where are you now? Okay, shout out 9 eyes and 13 likes. Thank you so much, Papa B. Maraming salamat. Still playing po, Papa B. Papa B. And nasa harang, Papa B. Okay, nag-start muna siya, Papa B. Play muna siya and then saka na siya nagharang. Maraming salamat. I-leave na lang naman muna natin. Mike, thank you so much. Do you have request, guys? May request pa ba kayo dyan? Be right back, changing of part. Okay, changing of part. What is, okay. A part on machine. Thank you so much, Mike. Yay, Sir Mike. Thank you so much. Okay, it's okay. Ma'am, please sing If I Sing You a Love Song. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Paulette. Oh, thank you, Miss Paulette. And Papa Bons, I will leave here, Papa Bons, playing na po siya, Papa Bons. And yeah, let's sing, ano dito? If I Sing Out. If I Sing You a Love Song. Okay. Hanapin mo natin. Let's find Miss Paulette. Malapit na ako mag-isang oras. If I Sing You a Love Song, Miss Paulette. If I Sing You. Wednesday, ngayon, schedule ni Ma'am Lay. Okay. Natulog na siguro si Lay. Oy.